So this is the wall image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to rotate this layer. So go to Image, Transform, and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And now press plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now select the text tool, left click, and now type your text. Control A to select all text. So I'm going to use the font monospace, the size 500. And now I'm just going to make it bold, left click here. And now select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is related to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now in order to blend it with the wall, so we need to duplicate the wall layer. This one here, duplicate it. Place it on top of the text layer. And then change the layer mode, go to mode. Change its layer mode to LCH lightness. And now I'm going to merge it down with the text layer. So here it is, this is the result we will get. So I'm going to merge it down. So here it is, and here's our wall. So as you can see, it is gray here. So now it is kind of desaturated. So now I'm going to increase a little bit the contrast here of the text here, the blended text. Go to colors, contrast, and now I'm just going to increase a little bit the contrast, so around 5. Check the preview. So here it is, and now press OK. And now go to colors and then exposure. And now I'm going to play with the exposure and the black level. I'm going to increase the exposure so it will brighten it, or it will turn it to white. So here, and now I'm going to increase a little bit the black level, reduce a little bit the exposure so to make it look like it's blending. So let's check the preview. For the black level, I'm going to leave it like this, and now press OK. And now I'm going to use the displace filter on the text here. Go to filter, map, and then select displace. So I will need to add the images here for the horizontal and vertical. So I'm going to add the wall image, left click the image here, select our image, this one, and then select the wall layer, this one here, double click. So here it is, and now we do the same thing for the vertical, left click, select this image here, and then select this layer here, the wall layer. And now I will leave the settings as they are. So select the Gimp window, left click on the Gimp window, press the plus key. So as you can see, the chain icon here is linked. So I'm going to increase both horizontal and vertical displacements. So here, as you can see, let's check the preview. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now press OK. And now let's press the minus key on the keyboard to zoom out.